Hey everybody, welcome to the Nagios Community. Wow, we're already halfway through the year. Check out these great new Nagios videos from users around the world.
Welcome to the Nagios Deep Dive. You can monitor just about anything with Nagios.
Tim Schafer launched his channel with a What is Nagios video, as well as a Nagios Deep Dive presentation. Great information. Ramon G's presented Nagios as a DevOps tool for monitoring IT resources.
Hello friends, and welcome back to our YouTube channel IT Support.
IT Support shared enlightenment on how to configure the extremely powerful Nagios log server, as well as the all-seeing Network Analyzer. By the way, if you haven't tried these two programs, you're missing out on the full power of Nagios solutions. Yogesh Chavan showed us how they install and configure Nagios Core. Yana Urikid also showed us how to install Nagios Core, this time in Debian. Tech Service Doc put out an install video for the ultimate Nagios network monitor, Nagios XI. Check out the difference with Nagios XI. There's a free download link in the description below. Angus Chang published several new tutorials for the Japanese community. Topics include monitor the FTP service of this machine, monitor private services for remote hosts, profile description and profile introduction, and implementing the mail alarm.
Take a look at everywhere, every technology, they're all IT industry. And behind, what drives that technology.
Over in the official Nagios YouTube channel, we showcased exciting developments with the IBM i platform. Tim Rowe and the team at IBM selected Nagios as their preferred monitoring solution for the IBM i platform.
We have a lot of open source technology that we have on the IBM i, and so it made a lot of sense to us to leverage an open source community like Nagios.
They developed a new plugin for the IBM i. Now the great news is the plugin works just as well on Nagios Core as it does on Nagios XI. So go forth and monitor IBM i, Nagios Community.
And that was the thing that I think attracted me the most to computers, is the ability to have a problem, fix a problem.
Tim also shared more about his personal journey in the latest IT professional video.
How do I provide a solution to fix it?
Stay connected with us on YouTube and Facebook for more great resources from Nagios and the community. Thanks to all the Nagios users for publishing. Keep up the great work. Be sure to check out the links to these channels below and subscribe to our community to keep learning the industry standard in IT infrastructure monitoring. Thanks everyone. See you next time.